this is gonna take a long time. They still have to they put all the windows, but the balconies are closed, and they still need to install the windows on the balconies, paint, then they have to do the floor. It's still gonna be noise, so this is not good. This is the kind of noise that we still have in this site. So this is the Decoplage, so the beach is here. This is north, south, and here we have Collins Avenue. So we have all this part that is under renovation, so a lot of work, a lot of noise. Here, all the windows here and here, I mean all the windows, they have been replaced. And here, the window balcony, they have been replaced in all these balconies. These are balconies. And here, the windows have been replaced, but not the windows balconies. They're not being replaced yet, as you can see in the other part of the video. So these balconies and these balconies, they're finished as today, November 18th. These balconies and these balconies, they still have some work to do, and they might be open by Christmas. It depends on the weather. Now these ones, on these ones there is no more noise. All the work that they still have to do will not do any noise, but here you still have a lot of noise because they have to do the rainering on the balconies floors, and that makes a lot of noise. It's very, they do rainers, so it doesn't so, and a lot of vibrations, so a lot of noise, the rainering, and this is not gonna be ready. The balconies won't open until I think February, maybe before, but depends on the weather too. But don't expect anything here. I don't know yet, but they still have more work than here, so maybe 3 months, maybe the same thing. So all these units, they're not affected in terms of view and balcony, but as you go closer to this area, they have noise here and they have noise here, so you won't be that affected when you're here, but you will have noise here.